We know that self-care is good for you, but I think we have a wrong conception of what self-care is all about. It doesn't have to be expensive, yeah, and it doesn't have to take too much of your time. And that's why in this video, I'm going to show you 10 self-care ideas that you can do that doesn't cost you much, or it actually costs nothing. For best advice from moms who want to find their identity or their purpose or their passion, subscribe to my channel where I release new videos every Thursday to help you achieve that. And don't forget to click the bell button for notification. I know moms, for most moms, we're always running on a very tight budget and on a very tight schedule. And so when someone says self-care, you're like, nope, I don't have time for that. And that's why this video will show you 10 self-care ideas that you can incorporate to your me time. And the good thing about it is those ideas, they don't cost anything. Yep, and it doesn't take that long. Plus, you can download the ultimate self-care list, which you can use as a guide for any time you want to practice self-care. Now let's get to it. The first one is this: go to bed early. Yeah, I said it. Go to bed earlier than your bedtime. Now, all you need to do really is just make sure that the kids actually go to bed earlier than their usual bedtime. Or if you get someone else to watch the kids, just make sure you go to bed 10-15 minutes than your regular time that you sleep, and trust me, it changes the game. That 10-15 minutes changes a lot. Now the second one is this: find a hobby. Now, your hobby doesn't have to be something that's expensive, like I said, or very time consuming, but just look for those little things that you used to love doing that doesn't cost anything, and do that. Simple. Third one is this: nap time. Yeah, I know you say that to your kids, but how about you incorporate nap time for yourself? I know that the first advice they give any new mom is, you know what, when the baby sleep, you should sleep. But how many moms actually do that? So it's either you incorporate the nap time, when they go for nap, you take a nap, or you let them know, you know what, mommy needs a nap. And nap doesn't have to be hours. 10-15 minutes nap, you know you could use that. And you know, it's interesting. If you want to think about acts, my next video, I show you mom acts for self-care, and you get really creative with you enjoying your self-care. Now, comment below if you like the word nap and just say nap, nap, nap. Okay, the next one is this: read a book. Read a book, or a magazine, or a comic book, whatever catches your fancy. Just get a book in the house and sit down and read it. That's self-care right there. You will be lost in that book that you will forget whatever you're going through for that moment and just enjoy yourself. That's it. And the next one is, you should watch the sunset or the sunrise. Now this is very interesting. All you need to do is just pull your curtains very early in the morning and just look at the sunrise. Yeah. Or you go in the evening and watch the sunset. 10-15 minutes, and it's really, really good for you. You just take that break and just enjoy everything around you. Now, the next one is positive self-talk. Now, you need that. Now, whatever is going to get you going is up to you. Some people like affirmations, some people like podcasts, some people like, things on the wall. Whatever gets you going, just do a positive self-talk. What I do, I stand in front of the mirror and I do my positive self-talk. 5 minutes, the most, I'm done. And that's self-care right there. Now the next one is listen to relaxing music. Now you know what relaxes you, and what relaxes you is your thing. Don't anybody make you feel bad about what you're listening to. Just make sure you pop in that music, and for 5-10 minutes actually listen to that music and let it feel the music, and that would help you to relax. Now the next one is, and I'm gonna say it, do nothing. You can actually do nothing. It's okay for you to stop and actually do nothing for 10-15 minutes. Busy moms, it's okay for you to do nothing, for you to just shut down and just listen to your inner self for just 10-15 minutes in a day. You can also make lunch for yourself. So you're doing all those meal preps and packing the lunch for the kids for the next day. How about you pack your own lunch as well, right? That's self-care, because the truth is, most of the time we're so busy throughout the day that we don't get anything to eat, or we make unhealthy choices. How about when you're packing their lunch, you pack yours? And there you have it. And the last one is this: exercise. Now when you exercise, I'm not saying go and join the gym or do something strenuous. Exercise can be something as easy as going for a 10-15 minutes walk, or just you going up and down the stairs. Now we know there's so many benefits to exercise, and that's self-care for you. So 5-10 minutes, give yourself to do some form of exercise and actually be in the moment during the exercise. That is self-care. So there you have it. That's the list of 10 things you can do. There's not going to cost you anything, and it doesn't take that long to get you to care for yourself. And plus, don't forget, you can always download my ultimate self-care list that you can use as a guide if you need more ideas like this. And don't worry, you need to just watch out for my next video, which I talk about the mom hacks for self-care, which will help you to get super creative as well. I'll see you around. If you enjoyed this video, remember to like, to share, comment, click the bell button for notification, and subscribe. And also, please do share this with other mom friends just like you out there, so that every mom out there would actually enjoy self-care and live a better life and have better relationships. That'll be so awesome.